In the Iliad, you're mostly concerned about the Achilles theme, the idea of him getting over his anger and finally getting back into the fray, and then the Greeks winning mainly because of that, or almost exclusively because of that. In the Odyssey, it's not as much learning about a bunch of Greeks versus a bunch of Trojans, and then the different gods and what sides they're on. It's more about one protagonist, Odysseus, and then various other characters who in one way or another relate to Odysseus, and either further his cause or in some cases stand as obstacles to prevent him from achieving his goal. Speaking of a goal, in the Iliad, what's the goal? There really is no goal other than winning the war. Once Achilles kills Hector, it's understood the Greeks are going to win the war. It's made clear by Homer in subtle ways, but that's just the end. It's a matter of biding time. In the Odyssey, it's another story. The epic, the Odyssey, is named after, as you could probably guess, Odysseus, the protagonist of it, the Greek hero. So it's a story about the Greek hero Odysseus trying to get home. It's a homecoming story.